faster, stronger, better. We put Microsoft's newest Surface Book to the test in benchmarks, and it's a noticeable improvement. But, while the upgraded Intel Core i7 processor is new, but it's not quad-core. And note that the new chip is still a 6th gen Skylake processor, not the latest 7th gen Kaby Lake model that's appearing in some new Windows machines. Ultimately, that's fine. In our initial experience, Kaby Lake chips are massively faster, and given how much trouble Microsoft had fixing the sleep/wake glitch on the original Surface Book, it's good that they're sticking with what works. The new Surface Book has faster performance, better multitasking, better battery performance, enough to make a difference, but not necessarily enough to eclipse the competition. And then there's Nvidia GeForce graphics. The GeForce GTX 965M is a very good processor for everyday gaming and graphics work, and finally gets the Surface Book into power user territory. But, it's still out of range for what current VR rigs like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive require, meaning this isn't a VR compatible PC. Now, that could change down the road. Microsoft promises its Windows Holographic environment and headsets debuting next year will work across more computers. Will the Surface Book with performance base be folded in? I wouldn't count on it if you're desperate to get VR into your life, but time will tell. The new Surface Book starts at $2,399, £1,799 or $3,299, which is higher than even Apple charges for its entry MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. You get 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM in that configuration, upgraded all the way to 1TB of storage and 16GB of RAM, and it'll cost $3,299, £2,649 or $4,949. That's the biggest downside to the Surface Book. You could conceivably buy a more affordable Windows laptop and a tablet for the same price. In the last year, there have been a number of great convertible Windows touchscreen computer options that rival the Surface Book, including Lenovo's old ThinkPad X1 Yoga Hybrid, which costs less, too. There are obvious advantages to combining both tablet and laptop together, and when Microsoft's vision of where touch-enabled computers clicks, it offers things you can't get anywhere else. I can prop this up and use it like a mini Surface Studio in tabletop mode and sketch on the fly. I could detach the tablet and use it around the house. I could just go into laptop mode. I have options. I like that. But I'd really like if Microsoft's original vision of the Surface as a slim tablet, with its extra keyboard options, could work hand in hand with a still standalone Surface Book.